Hello, and thank you for joining this video short. Today we're going to show you how to create a false chenille effect with an embroidery design. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new design as we click our new design page here. And we're going to go in. I'm going to navigate over to my ellipse tool and select it here. And I'll start from the center here and I'll just pull this out like this. I want to do a perfect circle, so I'll press my control key down and I'll left click my mouse button and I'm going to press enter for a perfect circle. At this next stage, I'm going to select my pointer tool. At this point now, I'll need to go in. I'll need to create a fill pattern for this type. I'll navigate up top. For those of you who have the stipple fill, I'll choose the stipple stem stitch effect. The next step here now is to actually go in and adjust the settings for the false chenille look inside the software. At this point now, let me zoom in here for you. In order to now achieve the effect of the false chenille look, we'll go into our properties of the stem stitch in our object properties here on our dockers. At this point now, we have some options here as we can go in and we can select for the thickness. I want to make this 4.0. So type in 4.0 here, press enter, and we're going to get this look. For the spacing between the stitches here, we'll use 1.0, and we'll use that one. We'll keep the stitch angle here at 50%. As we go further down, for our type, we'll leave this at single. We always have the choice of changing it from a single. If we need more thicker, we can use the triple stitch, but here we'll use the single. Next, for our stipple values here, we're just going to go in for your loop spacing. I'm going to select this. I'm going to make this 1.0. And as you'll see here, it dramatically changed the appearance of it. For the inset, this controls how far from the edge that the stitching will appear. So I'm going to make this, right now it's at 1. I'm going to make this at 4. And you can see how it moves the stitches to the inside. At this point now, if I need to go in and add a border to this, I can navigate over to my simple offset tool here. I'll leave this spacing here at 0, number of offsets here at 1. For my object type here, I'll click my down arrow and choose column C stitch. I'm just going to select OK. It goes in and adds my border around this. At this point now, I can navigate here to my pick tool. I can change the color of this border here to any color on the bottom of my page here, like this. If I need to make this border thicker, I can go into my object properties, into my pull comp settings here. Now, the pull comp allows you to go in and make the column width wider here, but because the stitch type here that we use is a column C stitch, we also have the ability here to go in under special. I can choose, here's my column width here. I can make this thicker by just selecting the 3, highlighting it, pressing 5 and press enter. If that's too much here, you can go back and take it down to 4 and press enter. So you have full control of going in and being able to adjust the column width here inside your software. This is going to do it for our video short today. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you learned something. Have a great day and happy digitizing.